Commanders, it's a morning. My name is Abel Tau. I'm the provincial spokesperson here in Gauteng of Umkhonto weSizwe. Lapho sikhona khona, Lasime khona, we are standing outside the official residence of the president, eMahlambandlovu in Pretoria. We have organized a picket and we walked down here basically that came through as a mini march. What we are doing here is to ensure that we want to send a very clear message that Zelensky is not welcome in South Africa, that Zelensky and NATO and everyone and the agenda that they are pushing cannot be aligned in South Africa. I want to remind President Cyril Ramaphosa that we are friends of Russia and that we are members of BRICS, and he must never confuse the nation and confuse the world. We know where our alliances is. We are totally opposed to the neoliberal agenda of the West. We want him to advance an agenda of South Africa that is at peace with its people and its friends.
Greetings to everyone in this country of our grandfathers, which is South Africa. It is unfortunate that today we are here picketing the issue or the visit of Zelensky, which ourselves as MK, we are against, as we are the main members or the main forefront that has been through and through with BRICS. Commanders, what we are saying, away with Zelensky. What we are saying, away with the imperialist agenda. We are saying away with Ramaphosa. And the visit of Nkosi Zelensky is controversial to our partnership with the BRICS. We are part of BRICS. And as we are part of BRICS, we cannot be associating ourselves with people that are from the NATO. All we are saying, away with Zelensky, away with NATO, away with the West. We want our land back and economic freedom.
Comrades, I think we have arrived at our destination. We are about to start now, comrades. I'm going to read the program. I think my name is Mzukisi. Mzukisi Onyuza, the provincial coordinator. I'm with this team. I will introduce them again for comrades for the benefit of everyone here, so that we understand who we are with. Yeah. On this side, comrades, I've got comrade Usindi Mthembu, the member of the National High Command, and the member of the National Security Team High Command. Next to him, I've got comrade Kevin Kungwayo, the Deputy Provincial Coordinator of Gauteng of Umkhonto weSizwe. Bulisa, Commander. Next to him, I've got comrade Untlamulo Ndlela, the Member of Parliament and the spokesperson of Umkhonto weSizwe at national level. Commander. How are you? Next to him, I've got comrade Unati Unamandla Kotelana, the convener of MK Party Youth League in Gauteng. Next to yena nginomama Imbokodo, uconvener wethu umama uWitness Nyembe. Next to yena nginomama nginobaba ucomrade Deputy Chairperson, Deputy Convener of this province, ubaba Moses Makaza, bambiza ngokuthi upump gun. Or next to Commander Pamkani, comrade, a member of National High Command and the convener of the deployees in Gauteng, and also a member of subcommittee communication at national level of a National High Command, comrade Uluda Libilo. Commander. Next to Commander Uluda, we have Commander Ubayanda Mkunu, the national organizer, the MK student, national organizer of the MK student movement. Commander Bayanda. Commander Phansi lapha yasino commander wethu ucomrade usifihlile ucomrade uDumisani Ntuli is forever on the ground. uyovula le ndlela neteam yakhe commander so that we are here today. Bonisa commander. Omunye esinaye uCommander uTheo Dlamini, imember ye provincial detachment. Uphansi angazi because of his stage sinzima. I don't know. Bonisa commander. Commander, I would like to greet. I can see, comrades, we've got some of our MPLs, comrades. We need to appreciate them. I can see them at the back there. Comrades, can you just come so that we also appreciate your presence, comrades? Comrades, we also have the host, the convener of the host region, Comrade Upesi Zeta. Comrade Upesi Spulisa. Commanders, we also have our comrades to the MPLs, members of the provincial legislature in Gauteng, Comrade Neville Dilibu, Commander Neville Bolisa. We also have another member of provincial legislature, Comrade Umalaza Kosana of Gauteng legislature. Commander Malaza.
Phansi ngoZelensky phansi phansi ngoRamaphosa phansi phambili ngoPutin phambili jikijela msholozi jikijela.
Viva President Putin, viva. Forward with Russia, forward. Forward with solidarity with Russia, forward. Maime impeaks Maime. My Pagame impeaks my Pagame. Maime impeaks Maime. Thank you, comrades. Commanders, I think we're going to start with the program. I'll just raise some few items that we're going to have in the program yet so that Aguna conflict. We are going to have messages of support, comrades. We are going to have the welcoming, the message of support from the Women's League, from the Creative, from the Youth League, Women's League. We don't have the member from the Women's League here. Can I ask the comrades? The Women's League. We have the Youth League. We have our Creative Council. We are going to have the student movement after them. We are going to have the spokesperson, Sesom Kondo, who is a member of parliament. We are going to have the APC. Can we have the rep of the APC, Ngapambili, commanders? The PCC representative, comrades. Can you please come, the rep of PCC? The provincial rep of PCC corner or any rep of PCC? Provincial Civic Congress, you are not here? Yeah. Comrades, Comrade Mudiba, greet the comrades.
Amanda, Kwaza mkhonto kwaza, izwe lethu, hamba Zelensky hamba.
Comrades, Comrade Tau, one of the comrades were running to make this a success. I've not greeted Comrade Tau. Comrade Tau, can you greet the comrades? This comrade does not sleep, comrades. We'll tell you one day he's busy with the organization. Thank you, comrades. Do we have IREP Yamasoja commanders? Baba Kotole, can you greet us, 40 commander Baba Kotole from it? Being a little about. How are you? Chabonga Baba Kotole. Agnam Donga Maz, commanders. Yeah. Sorry? Okay, no, comrades, I'm not going to call resident detachment by weights. I know that when I've called the convener and the coordinator, I think the whole collective was behind this event. On the vote of thanks, I think you'll get wrapping up of this. We'll touch on a number of things that we have left behind. Thank you. Comrades, I'm going to go to welcome you all, comrades. And I think we feel welcome. This is our land. This is our home. This is where we belong. We're supposed to be inside these houses. But by stroke of bad luck, we find ourselves Machelala. We are here in this event, comrades, to ensure that we make our voice known. We make it possible for the world to see that we are not happy with some of the things that are done by people who think they represent us. But knowing exactly they don't represent us, they don't get the mandate from us. They decide to side with the enemy. They decide to side with the wrong people. We gave them the mandate to lead. We gave them the mandate to govern, not to oppress and suppress us with their voice and the power that we gave them. So basically today we're here to challenge that, comrade. This is not a little thing that we are doing, comrades. All over the world, the murderer who's here is not appreciated. He goes by pounds, he moves by pounds. He moves by pounds. He makes sure that he's not known. You'll find him anywhere in your country. When you see the people that he's meeting are people that are not appreciated even in their own countries. We can't welcome the palapalist and think that you are governed properly. He's here to meet the president of this country, who happens to be siding with the West just like him. So those are the two sides of the same coin. We are here to call order, comrades. So Kalimela. Thank you. Welcome you all, comrades. We wish you well. Let's make sure this is a success. We know that some other comrades are coming. They are represented comrades. We'll welcome them as they arrive. Comrades, without waste of time, I want to welcome on the stage the comrade from the Women's League, MK Women's League. Come and speak. If he's not here, comrade, let me take the next speaker. The Youth League, Comrade Namandla Kotelana. Comrades, each speaker, my leaders are telling me that, please, because of time, we don't want to cut you while because I want to spell the comrades. Each speaker is given the maximum of 1 minute. The spokesperson from Parliament is Somnigeza 1 minute and 2 seconds. Thank you. Okay.
Mandla, how are you too? Thank you very much, comrades. Greetings to all of you and all protocol observed. Comrades, when the North Atlantic Treaty Organization was formed in 1949, it was formed solely to destroy Russia, comrades. So when Ukraine takes a decision that it is going to join NATO and put NATO on the Russian borders, it means that that is an act of aggression, because in 1990 there was an agreement, although it was not formal, to say that the North Atlantic Treaty would not expand to the eastern part of Europe. So now this is a betrayal to Russia, comrades. And mind you, it is an agenda of the imperialist, the Western imperialist, that has a lot of hate, by the way, for us, the people of South Africa. The only darling of the Western imperialists and white monopoly capital in South Africa is the current president we have. Us, the people of South Africa, comrades, have nothing to do with imperialists. And so long, if they are sitting today, any decision that they can make on that sitting and want to utilize our tax monies or any of our resources as South Africans to support Ukraine, they are going to face the music. This is a promise that is made by us, the Utlik of Umkhonto weSizwe in Gauteng. Amandla.
Amandla. Comrades, let's allow the creative artists to come on board. The comrade is just arrived. He's been here with us, but was introduced our commander.
Chikchela Mkondo Chikchela, Comrade Loazi Innocent Stole, aka Mr. Inno M, the provincial organizer of MKC, which is creative. Tina njengamaxoko Mkondo City, when utshala imbewu, you are expecting ukuthi utshale la kufanele futhi nala ufuna ukuthi ikhule khona. But when umhlaba sowutshalela imbewu ungayivumi imbewu yakho, that means you are not expected ukuthi ungathola ivuno khona. In that matter of fact, as artists, when you are not allowed where you are going, and when the crowd it is not allowing you to be participating in that stage, of which you are not allowed to be the present on that day of that event. With that being said, we have stronghold and strong mandate as MK Creative to say, we are not allowing the sitting of these hooligans to continue. Commander's morning.
Morning. The hooligans are not allowed to meet today, comrades. Can you allow the student movement to come on board? Student move, okay. You'll introduce yourself, comrade. You've just arrived. 1 minute, yeah?
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Aga mkhonto aga. Aga mkhonto aga. Comrades, I won't be long. I will just extrapolate or define what is revolution and politics, because we are here because of those two things. The revolution, it is the struggle between the past and the future. And we are in the current struggle. And then what is politics? Politics is the power to act. Our actions towards njengoba silana kule revolution or towards shaping the future must reflect the revolutionary movement, which is Umkhonto Wesizwe. Commanders, I won't be long. I'll just say, can we unite all forces of the left and siphakamise igama la kaMsholozi kwaza mkhonto.
Kwaza, mkhonto, kwaza. Comrades, we have two speakers, and the person who's about to receive the memorandum, I'm told, is here. Can we allow the comrade Nhlamulo Ndlela, the member of parliament, and the spokesperson? Amandla.
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Sipilele ncamalala sipilele. Sipilele ncamalala sipilele. Down GNU down. Down GNU down. Run Cyril run. Run Zelensky run. Amandla. Comrade, mine is just to reflect on where we are. The young man, the young comrade from the student movement spoke about the past and how the past has defined our future. 30 years ago, negotiations happened where we were sold out in those negotiations in the form of unity called the Government of National Unity. The chief negotiator is the same sellout that's having lunch with Zelensky. 30 years later, we find ourselves infiltrated in the form of a so-called Government of National Unity. Well, today, GNU, for us, stands for Gijima Nangu Satan. We don't sign deals with the devil. We will never go into a coalition and sell our people out. The ANC has sold out. They have taken the black vote and given Afrikaners, racist Afrikaners, power. They have taken us back into apartheid. We are saying never, not in our name, as Umkhonto Wesizwe. You can call us left, right, and center to try and join this GNU. We will never join the GNU because we are the true liberators of our people. Asidlali ngamavoto abantu bethu. Asiwafuni ama-blue light. We want to liberate our people. And if it means liberating our people, we must wait until the right time, so shall it be. But one thing I can tell you, the next elections, they better be careful because Umkhonto Wesizwe is coming and you can never rig our elections. We have seen your tricks. Now they want to introduce e-voting. Why is it with the emergence of Umkhonto Wesizwe senifuna ukuletha lento ekuthiwa i-e-voting? Ngayibona mina ngalesikhathi uRamaphosa stated the nation address at we must digitize our identities. Ngathi yabona bafuna ukuntshontsha ke manje. Bafuna ukuntshontsha. Ngathi nizobona bazokhuluma nge-e-voting. What are we faced with namhlanje by proposal? E-voting. It's because they know come 2026, but particularly 2029, Umkhonto Wesizwe is going to govern. Comrades, all I'm going to say is, we love you. We are going to take this country back. Zelensky must leave this country very quickly. Asimfuni lana. And he must eat. He's busy eating ukudla kwethu. When our children are hungry, but Cyril can dine him. Lani phuma khona in your communities. Abantu bayalamba but uZelensky uyadla. A known criminal of humanity is dining with a bourgeoisie called Cyril Ramaphosa in our name. Comrades, that's the end of it. Ngithi amandla! Amandla! Long live Umkhonto weSizwe, long live! Long live Umkhonto weSizwe, long live! Amandla!
The last speaker, comrade, 1 minute. Comrade Ntamulo sinikeze 1 minute, 2 seconds. And wenze kahle uma besikhathi sakhe comrades. Yeah, let's allow the APC. Comrade Buhle Chomela, greet the comrades, member of the Provincial Judgment. How is Amanda of command? How are you? Viva. Sebonga, command. Commander, we are appreciating comrades Amayama region that you are noticing. The regions are coming in. I've seen West Rand, I've seen Sidibeng, I've seen Eguruleni here, I've seen Ijobek is here. We are all here, comrades. Mr. is not a region, Sidibeng. Sidibeng is here. There's no saying Sidibeng is here. Amanda. Okay. Comrade APC in 1 minute before the speaker comes.
Halala MK halala. Halala APC halala. Thank you very much, Program Director. We as the APC, Makabani, we are here. We are responding to the call. We are responding to the call that says Zelensky is a murderer. Zelensky is not allowed in our country. We are saying as APC, comrade of Umkhonto weSizwe, we want unity. We want the progressive forces to unite. We must not unite today. The message from our president, Themba Godi, he said we must tell Umkhonto weSizwe that we are here to the progressive forces. We want to join hands with Umkhonto weSizwe so that we must be united. We wake up today, the rand have declined because of the visit of Zelensky. Now we are saying as APC, hamba Zelensky hamba. Asikufuni Zelensky asikufuni. Thank you very much.
Amanda, viva, viva Umkhonto, viva. Viva, viva Umkhonto, viva. Comrades, we have arrived at that time of the reading of the memorandum. After that, you'll hand over the memorandum to the representative from the office of the president. Let me hand over the mic for the reading of the memorandum. Thank you.
Manda! Manda! Awe tu! Mata! Kerona! Matimba! Aina! Gubi! Gubi! Siaya! Siaya! Gubi! 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 Oh! Siaya! Siaya! Noma bese tobola besi boba besi shaya Noma bese tobola besi shaya besi boba Gubi 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 yo Siaya Siaya Amanda. Thank you to the MC of the program, all speakers that have already spoken, all the comrades and leadership, the ground forces, our comrades from APC and all other fraternal bodies. Because in MK we are not forming a party, we are forming a movement of all those who have been a victim of 30 years of a funny freedom
a freedom that does not change the lives of those who fought for it. And MK is for those ones. My job is not complicated. My job is to read the memorandum from MK Party. But comrades, I thought before I read the memorandum, I'm reminded that on the 10th of March, MK Party in Gauteng brought Tshwane to a standstill, saying that no to VAT. Do you still remember, comrade? Yes. And we told them that if they are going to continue with the VAT, because the VAT is punishing poor people, who majority of which are black, we are going to go for a national shutdown of this country. And they thought we were joking. We went to the National High Command, we took a resolution that if they continue with the VAT, we are going to declare this country immovable, economically and otherwise. I don't want to say ungovernable, because MK is a governable institution. So comrades, we're busy putting systems and processes in place for a national shutdown, because we heard that Cyril Ramaphosa and his statues, the like of Eric Gondongwan, they don't take MK seriously. And we decided that we are going now for a national march to close this country, because we cannot continue to have a system that continues to run a system that continues to oppress black people. As MK, we said to them, you must increase the company income tax. You must introduce the wealth tax. You must also give SARS money to collect the 800 billion rand, which white monopoly capital is hiding through tax havens. They said, no, we're not going to do that, we're going to proceed. And it's whether they take the instruction from Stellenbosch. So we sent a message to Stellenbosch that you are going to stop this nonsense. When they got the intelligence that you are going to stop this nonsense, they called a meeting and they withdrawn the VAT. Because the MK I died. So I know others are claiming that they went to court. The reality and the truth that South Africans know is that it was MK that stopped the streets of Pretoria and stopping the march. Amanda! Amanda! So that VAT that they were trying to oppress poor people has been stopped. And thanks to MK. Having said that, comrades, I'm reading the memorandum, and the memorandum is called Immediate Rejection of Zelensky's Visit and the Rejection with Aligning with Western Puppets. The Mkondo Wesizwe put a memorandum on behalf of Cyril Ramaphosa, who wants to destabilize a peace-loving country like South Africa by bringing the stooges of white capital, the stooges of imperialism, and the stooges of Western Europe. We are bringing this memorandum after we have made it very clear that we do not want Zelensky because he's the credited, unelected dictator who's an official visit here to come and get business interests. We are informed, comrades, that Ramaphosa is busy discussing some business deals with Zelensky here. He wants Zelensky to take the minds of this country, which are now still in the hands of whiteness. And as MK was saying, that shall not happen under our watch. This decision that you are taking today is based on our long-standing decision that we are part and parcel of the global West. It was President Zuma, when everybody didn't know, who went and approached China, Russia, and India, and Brazil, and put South Africa to be a member of BRICS. And that is the alignment. That is the alignment that we are looking for. We're not looking for alignment of people who will be changing tariffs every day. We want an alignment of people who are progressive, people who are positioned. And therefore, Zelensky, we see him as an unapologetic proponent of fascist ideology who has positioned himself as a proxy for NATO militarism and a key agent of the Western expansionism, particularly in the context of unjust imperial war waged against Russian Federation. Rather than pursuing peace, Zelensky has exploited the conflict by extracting financial and military support from Western powers for his own benefit, disregarding this, what it costs the lives of the people. What Zelensky has been doing, comrades, he goes to Europe and goes to America and asks them to give him money in the pretext that he's going to use it to find Russia. And that money is going to his pockets. And that money is going to his friends. We know, comrades, that war would not have lasted a week if Zelensky was not getting support from the Western imperialism, especially the Biden administration. So that is a person that we do not want here, who doesn't care about the lives of his own people on the basis of money. Even more alarming to us, under the leadership of Ramaphosa, Zelensky has been permitted to acquire and operate businesses within South Africa, an act that is blatantly advances Western imperial interests and one which we reject entirely. Mr. Zelensky's leadership aligns squarely with the agenda of Euro-American imperialism, stands in fundamental contradiction to the principle of Freedom Charter, as well as the core values of the MK Party, those of anti-colonialism, anti-neoliberalism, and the resistance to all forms of apartheid and colonial domination. We therefore declare that the presence of Zelensky in this country compromises South Africa's global credibility as a voice for peace, neutrality, and justice. It further aligns our country with the Western military alliances, thereby distancing us from our BRICS partners and the friends of the poor people of South Africa. It further dishonors the members of our revolution who oppose colonial domination and foreign interference in African affairs. We therefore demand the following as Mkondo Wesizwe Party. We demand that, with immediate effect, that Zelensky must be instructed to return to Ukraine with immediate effect, and that South Africa must publicly declare its non-alliance with any militarist or imperial agenda it represents. So we're calling for Cyril Ramaphosa that while they're having lunch now, he must tell Zelensky that after lunch he must go back. We also demand that any and all businesses or diplomatic arrangement involving Zelensky or his affiliates in this country be cancelled with immediate effect. All the deals they're trying to make, we're saying they must be cancelled with immediate effect. We're also demanding that South Africa must call for the democratic elections of Ukraine, allowing Ukrainian people to freely determine their leadership, free from foreign influence. One of the things that Zelensky is doing is using this war to avoid going to elections, because he knows that these people do not want him. We want this weak and useless Ramaphosa for once to have a spine to tell Zelensky to go back to his country and have democratic processes, so that the people of Ukraine can appoint the leader that they prefer. We also demand that South Africa reaffirms its position, its opposition to the NATO expansion, and call for Ukraine to formally renounce intention of joining the alliance. We are further demanding that South African government issue a clear policy reaffirming its call for an immediate cessation of hostilities in Ukraine based on dialogue, diplomacy, and mutual respect. I normally use technology, but they gave me this book. We therefore declare that South Africa must never be complicit in unjust wars, imperial conquest, and global destabilization masquerading as diplomacy. So what Cyril is doing by bringing Zelensky here, he's bringing a mentality of wars. We're a peace-loving country. South Africans are a peace-loving country. That's why even these white settlers who came here and killed us, We didn't retaliate. We welcomed them. We're still talking to them nicely because we're a peaceful country. We don't want warmongers to come to our country. As MK, we will continue to stand in unwavering solidarity with the Global South and BRICS Plus nations friends in defense of our sovereignty, peace, and just manipolar world. Manda! Away, two! Comrades, among us here we have, we know that Ed Hart is an MK member. But he can't renounce, he'll always vote for MK. We've got a representative from the presidency who's going to receive the memorandum as read. I'm going to allow him to introduce himself, and after that, he'll be signing the memorandum. Thank you very much.
Sanbonan. My name is Vincent Ngobondwale. I'm one of the managers in the presidency's office. I'm assigned to come and collect the memorandum today and hand it over in the office of the president. Thank you very much.
Husayna mo, yo hasimu rabara, Husayna mo, hasimu rabara, Husayna mo, yo hasimu rabara.
Ona la masela se atata se yo ase atata se ase atata se ayasina luva loti ya wabona la masela se atata se yo ase atata se ase atata se ayasina luva loti Omiti woza 2024 woza Omiti woza 2024 Omiti woza woza ayasina luva loti Omiti woza 2024 woza Omiti woza 24 Omiti woza 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 Omiti woza Omiti woza 2024 woza Omiti woza woza Omiti woza woza Yawabona la masela se atata se yo ase atata se ase atata se ayasina luva loti Yawabona la masela se atata se yo ase atata se ayasina luva loti Hey, bastisha kesi basvalela mani yo Emiti woza 24 Eso bakipane ayasina luva loti Oma kimali yekela bastisha
Amanda, comrades, a memorandum has been forwarded. We just hope they will understand, and they should understand, that asela ngokuzodlala la sela ukuzokhala nokuzodimanda amasela ayidlile breakfast ekseni the lunch, but they have to know that we are watching them. It won't be talk one day. Also, if you're comrades, I just want to acknowledge one comrade or another structure that did not come here. The leadership is in Duna, Sasema Hostel as a Gauteng, partially the representatives of Amakosi, they are here. Let's appreciate them, comrades. They are here, they've been with us. There is another structure for them, just remember. That was supposed to be appreciated. Now, EPCC, Sinibizile, comrade, you're in the program, but next time you will surely come and talk. Comrades, I think we are coming to the item where let's appreciate Finama Soldier comrades, because I relation comrades. Viva, viva, commanders on Congress, viva! Viva, 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 veterans, the liberation struggle, viva! Viva, former soldiers, viva! Comrades, we've got the former soldiers in our midst who are also assisting us, who are forever there. In each and every revolutionary country, there is a burning light for an unknown soldier who's doing the dirty job, who is not acknowledged by anyone. These are the comrades who have not been acknowledged in all the phases of our struggle and the pillars. While they were consolidated and appreciated and wrapped up, they were never consolidated, they were never even acknowledged, comrades. It's a role of MK as we acknowledge all the forces and sectors. We make sure that you don't leave them behind, comrades. They are acknowledged, they are part of us. They are not getting any younger, comrades. They are very old. 6-7 years down the line, you live in 3% of them. So the patience and sympathy towards them up until they are phased out is very, very crucial, comrades. Amanda? Yeah, comrades, I'm getting now to Comrade Umama, our convener and the chair of the province, Comrade Witness Nyembe, to give us the voting of thanks, the message of thanking everybody who was here, comrades. Thank you, Amanda. Amanda, but comrades, I nearly made a big blunder. How can you do fita uzadijo udule urobale? How can you obokwala ntu ufamieti atwa tamaye? Kipose kiyenze manabesu. Maswahili bari shukrani ya punda ni mateke, kapo shukrani ya fadila ni mateke. The gratitude of a donkey is kicks. So regese lebuka oli raya ni kador fepa. Kita kupantate pesi atle ator lebuwa. Ato bua mona ato bua ni runa a message. Ato bua ni runa just a message from the region, but the message and the vote of thanks will be coming from the convener. Hoja katisa ina kami kikwesi the whole event. So kupani mswareleni, ndikoleleni, gena tati.
Amanda. Viva Mkhonto wesizwe, viva. Waza Mkhonto, gwaza. Ripilele President Zuma, ripilele. Ripilele President Zuma, ripilele. Thank you very much, comrades. My comrades is to say to all members from the region, the regional leadership in Gauteng, we'd like to thank you for the support. The sub-region in Tshwane, the Women's League, the Youth League, the student movement, amakhosi in their absentia, abantu ababaluleke kakhulu kulo mhlangano womkhonto wesizwe, amakhosi. As you know, comrades, our president, at all material times, umavula umhlangano ukhuluma ngamakhosi. Sithanda ukubonga kakhulu eStshwane. Our message to you, comrades, Tshwane, through your support, you have laid the foundation. The foundation year 2026. We want to assure you leadership. We want to give you this message, Comrade Nhlamulo, to tell the president that we promise you as Tshwane, we are not going to wait for 2029. We want power tomorrow. 2026 in Tshwane, the MK will be running into that chamber. It's not a joke. We're working very hard as structures in Tshwane, Comrade Nhlamulo. That is the big message. You must take it to the president. We even relayed this message to the president while he was here to visit the Mahlangu family. On that note, comrades, we would like to thank everyone. Sicela uNkulunkulu anihole nihambe kahle nibuyele emakhaya. Thank you very much to the National High Command, the Provincial Detachment, for your support. Because ngaphandle kwenu, obvious as Tshwane region, asikakabi nama resources. But through your support, we'd like to thank you, the chair of the province, with your team. Stand ukubonga kakhulu. Amanda.
Thank you, commanders. Bengicela nje ukufaka ingoma eyi-1 commander nginikeze ukuchair. Angazi noma soyicula le ngoma ithanda ukuba nzima. Wele 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 iyo sesithi awuwelele siyohlangana eposheni. Wele 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 iyo sesithi awuwelele siyohlangana eposheni. Babesali komati bakhuluma hata sopenda sithi namhlanje iyo sesithi awuwelele siyohlangana eposheni. Babesali komati bakhuluma bathe hata sopenda sithi namhlanje iyo sesithi awuwelele siyohlangana eposheni. Amanda, comrades, before I allow the chair, the reason I'm singing this song, comrades, I don't normally sing. When I sing the song and put history next to it. This song is a song about the Nkomati Accord. When you sing of this song, you should think of the time of Samora Machel. When you sing this song, you should think of the operations that were carried out by Comrade Jacob Zuma in Swaziland and Mozambique into South Africa. Lomama was part of the operations, comrades. Umamu Sindi was part of the people that were there. Nkomati Accord was the peace accord signed between South Africa, apartheid South Africa and Mozambique. It was to neutralize the liberation struggle of South Africa by the MK at that time. But the main thing is that after that they killed Samora Machel, they sold him, they killed him. Ubabu Jacob Zuma was the cause of the Hivan and making South Africa to be uncoverable during those times. That accord wanted to neutralize him and push MK backward. But we are still here, comrade. He's still here with us. Amanda, comrade chairperson, can you take over, leader?
Amanda! Viva Mkhonto wesizwe, viva! viva! Viva High Command, viva! Viva Tshwane Region, viva! Comrades, commanders, good morning. Sila, Kwababu Ramaphosa, okwesikhashana nje, lapha efikelwa khona isivakashi esingamamulekekile eSouth Africa. uZelesko asimfuni eSouth Africa. Sesishilo ukuthi le breakfast adlayo lokugcina sekuzodla thina-ke siwumkhonto ilunch la khona manje. Viva APC, viva! Wonke ama-detachment eprovince yase-Gauteng sithi siyi-Gauteng. The GNU sisazoyenza busy. Siyayithatha iTshwane, siyayithatha. iTshwane Metro sekungeyethu. Noma ama-elections bangathi 2027 kodwa kusalayo iMK izobusa. Siyabonga kakhulu masotsha kaBaba uNqamalala. Usekhaya uyasibuka ku-television. Sibonge kakhulu imedia ukuthi now it has dawned ukuthi MK ayiya kuphi izohlala la.